A is for alligator, snapping in the sun. B is for bear, who loves to run for fun. C is for cat, curled up in a nap. D is for dog, who loves a belly pat. E is for elephant, stomping with pride. F is for fox, in the forest he'll hide. G is for giraffe, so tall and grand. H is for hedgehog, rolling through the sand. I is for iguana, soaking up heat. J is for jaguar, with super fast feet. K is for kangaroo, bouncing all day. L is for lion, with a mighty roar to say. M is for monkey, swinging tree to tree. N is Nyala, a spiral-horned artiodactyl. O is for owl, hooting in the night. P is for penguin, waddling left and right. Q is for quail, with feathers on her head. R is for rabbit, who hops out of bed. S is for snake, slithering past. T is for tiger, bold and fast. U is for urial, climbing high and steep. V is for vulture, circling in a sweep. W is for whale, singing deep and low. X is Sinatra, unique skeletal. Y is for yak, with a coat so thick. Z is for zebra, with stripes that stick.